says in the Holy Zohar that the days of Hanukkah is the tikkun of the Hod. How can we take advantage of this opportunity? The Hanukkah is coming. The Zohar is telling us that we have an opportunity, a potential to do a great tikkun for the Sfirah of the Hod. How can we do it? What is the way? I want to invite you to a course that we did that includes also videos, also ebooks, and many other things that you will find out. And with that, you will have the tools and the means to dwell in the deep Kabbalistic meditations that is special for Hanukkah, to take advantage of the opportunity that is coming in those days to have revealed miracles and to show your gratitude and to help yourself and all the people around you to connect to Hashem in much greater way. Please join me. I'm here, King David's Tomb, KingDavidKabbalah.com, and I'm waiting for you. Please join. Thank you very much. Blessings from King David's Tomb.